I made a straightforward promise to Canadians that we would have your backs.
Hang on, where are we going?
I don't know, but I don't like to look at that tunnel up there. Hey, Wonka, I want off!
I made a promise during this pandemic to have people's back.
The lie detector test determined that was a lie.
You're an inhuman monster!
Tell that little guy to turn this around, Wonka!
I'd be there for you, and that's exactly what we've done.
What is this, a freak out?
Hey, this isn't funny, Wonka!
You want to change the world? There's nothing to it.
I've got another puzzle for you.
No earthly way of knowing.
He's singing. How can you do a thing like this?
Possibly see where you're going, Wonka!
You're right. I can't.
You're a cheat and a swindler.
Which direction we are going? There's no knowing where we're rowing.
If you are wise, you'll listen to me.
8 more years of Donald Trump will change America in a fundamental way.
Yes!
Oompa, loompa, doompa dee dee.
The America we know will no longer exist.
If you're not spoiled, then you will go far.
So you get nothing! You lose! Good day, sir!
Not a speck of light is showing, so the danger must be growing.
I said good day!
The
Mr. Wonka?
small fringe minority holding unacceptable views